What's up, y'all? Okay, so I've had a ton of you asking me how to get involved with YouTube marketing, and I have solutions, so let's chat about it. Okay, so first things first, please mark your calendar November 10th, 11th, and 12th. It is in Charlotte, North Carolina. We're hosting an event. It's called our ElevateU. We do several of them throughout the year. This is our last one for 2021. And the entire theme of the event is like all things digital, specifically how to really get prepared for 2022. We have an entire hour-long session dedicated towards YouTube marketing and how to actually incorporate that into your business, not just from a content perspective, but from an actual prospecting strategy. So one of our Elevate members that's in our program, Lane Martinsen, shout out Lane, he actually has a very successful YouTube channel. So what do I mean by successful? Well, for starters, he has over 40,000 subscribers. How many of you have 40,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel? Probably not many. Secondly, he not only actually does in fact get leads and appointments from his YouTube channel and strategy, but YouTube actually pays him $4,000 to $6,000 a month for monetizing his videos. So what does that mean? That means that he allows for ads to play, let's call it before his videos. And because he does that, Facebook pays him to do so. Now, you can put parameters and really kind of filters around what types of ads you will or will not allow. So there's a little bit of control with that. So that can kind of hopefully ease your mind a little. But that's how he makes the actual YouTube strategy successful, in combination with, again, actually getting leads and new clients from this effort. So he's going to go deep November, again, 10th, 11th, and 12th at that event, a whole full hour-long strategy on how he got his channel started, where he gets his ideas for content, who does his video editing, how he turns a watcher into a lead into an appointment to a client, like literally the works. So you should be able to walk away from that event with an entire playbook on how to do exactly what he did and do it the correct way. He can even go through with you some of the do's and the don'ts of what he's learned along the way. I'm sure he's got some tips and tricks for you. So again, November 10th, 11th, and 12th, Charlotte, North Carolina. YouTube is the fastest growing social media channel out there. It even has superseded Facebook and Instagram. So you don't want to miss out on this strategy. It is absolutely the next digital component of your entire marketing strategy that you must incorporate. So I hope to see you there. Please, you can DM me or you can send me a text, 704-439-2340, and I will send you the registration link, or you can DM me directly on whatever platform you're watching this on, and we hope to see you there. Thanks, y'all.